Chubby drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with it.
Mama, I'm so sorry, I can't do no Mickey D. Snuck out the house, went to the trap house, hoping that it set us free. They locked me up and held me there, the judge won't set no bond for me. Can't talk to you, don't know about that, I'm screaming, but come back to me.
Alright, I got my life together, bro. So I just switched to my camera because I was being lazy and was trying to record off my phone. I see me. Dang. Alright. It's really not the lens that I want. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's not the lens that I want for real, but we're gonna thug it out. If I keep looking right here, just looking at the screen, should I get my mic? I think I need to get my mic. Alright. I got the mic on here. The audio should sound somewhat different. So basically, if y'all didn't hear me, I'm prepping for the wedding. My friend DJ is getting married to Cara at Sacred Heart. And so I want to vlog the whole day. Like I want to vlog Friday, me getting my hair cut. It's gonna be really like a 3-day vlog, 3-4-day vlog, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So let me get back to yeah. Alright, so I'm done with that step. What I'm gonna do now is apply this Celsium glue to my face because that condition I told y'all about, it ain't even really a condition. It's just like, I'll explain it on another day. You know that I put this on my face to make it glow and make it clean. Yeah. Alright, so I'm done. Let me call Bree.
Yeah, I'm trying to listen to music. Why are you interrupting my section? You have no reason. Exactly. It's going to be annoying. What is dirt on your face?
First off, you know, I put this on my face before I get a haircut.
I'm so thick. Like, I might not be able to fit these jeans. Like, I'm so thick. Super, super thick.
My YouTube is hearing everything you just said. Look.
Edit.
It's staying in there.
I'm so thick. Now that they know.
I'll just take the rest of it and put it in my hair. So my mother wants me to go to Kroger and get cheesecake. Get sour cream because she's trying to finish the cheesecake for the red velvet cheesecake. But I have this on my face. I let this sit on my face. Sometimes I leave it on there an hour. Ain't gonna lie to you. You're not supposed to leave it on there that long. That's 30 minutes or 20. Then once you wash it off, your face is gonna be glowing like mine. Yeah. Kind of irritating me. She wants me to go to the store because she's trying to make a cake and she forgot something. Should have been to the store at least 5 times a day. It never fails. She's always gonna forget something and she sends me to go and get it. I have to go to this store looking like this, bro. Ooh, if you know me, you know I don't like going outside with my do-rag on. I just don't. So I'm gonna try to have this hood and cover it. And then I just washed my hair and took a bath and like clean my face. So it's just like, y'all kind of feel my pain. You're looking at me crazy, bro. Look at my hands. I think I'm going to get... Oh, it's cottage cheese. It's not sour cream. Oh, there it go. They're both packed. Like, I just got one thing. Alright. I'm back. It's not even the lens I want. It's not focusing enough for me. Get ready and prep me for my friend's wedding. So yeah, I'm gonna try to record at the car, and DJ's mama want me to take pictures. She want me to be a personal photographer basically, so I'm gonna have my camera, so I might sneak some footage in. Well, I don't know how that's gonna work because I got 2 different lenses and I don't know. We gonna figure it out though. I'm gonna try to get some videos and stuff. But that's basically it. I'm finna finish the night off by unpacking my suitcase. I know it don't look like a suitcase, but it is. Underneath all those clothes. Matter of fact, let me just show you. All right, the suitcase right here. All right, you see it? Yeah. I need to do some work and get caught up. But we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna say goodnight. I'll see y'all. Might pick up the camera tomorrow. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. I was supposed to pick up the camera earlier this morning, but just didn't. Oh yeah, y'all see I got my bed cleaned off, you know. I cleaned up like I said I was. I didn't do it last night, but I got up, you know, and did it today. Today is Thanksgiving. Not really doing much special. I already took my pictures, so they just gotta be posted. All I gotta do is click post, and then we about to eat like right now.
You take the cake out?
Yeah. That's basically it.
I'm taking the sticks out of it.
Okay.
Huh?
The stick.
The sticks on here.
Well, it's some milk.
It's cheesecake.
Oh yeah, you're right. I forgot she always did try to keep it in the
That's some more macaroni too.
You can have some more macaroni. Eat some of your ingredients.
Okay.
I'll be right back when I finish eating. Yeah. Guys, it's the next day and it's currently, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's currently 9:12. My haircut is at 10 o'clock. I need to be leaving like right now because I gotta put some money in my account. I need to be leaving like a little bit early, so. I'm in the car on the way to the appointment. I might take the camera in there, might not. I don't know. I know Terrell don't care, but do I really feel like, you know, I'm kind of new to this, and you know, like, do I really feel like taking the camera in there? I'm a YouTuber now, so. I don't know, we gonna see, but I'm finna go there. It's 9:30, so I need to like hurry up because I like to be on time. I hate being not on time. So I guess I'll pick the camera up when I get there. All right. I got feelings for you. No, you ain't playing. Wait, no, go back.
Yeah.
I'm over with. I'm finna go in the barbershop and get a haircut. It's like packed out here. I'm going to not take the camera in because I don't know what to expect. I don't know who in there. But if I go in there and I know everybody in there, then I'm gonna break it. But if not, then you'll just see me when I get back in the car. Alrighty. Alright, I'm back. The final product. I hate, like, y'all can't really see for real. Like, my face look freaking round on this camera. You know, that's weird. Yep. Tape line. You know, just a quick lineup because my hair, like, it's pretty much like, it's still good, like, from last week when he cut it. So I just needed a, in the other side. Why are they going over there? They're on that side. It look like he's trying to get a haircut. They're on that side. Terrell did good. I'm gonna put his quote in the description if y'all need a haircut and y'all trying to. I might put him on camera next time. It was just the people, and no, I like it when it's just a few of us in there and I know everybody in there. I'll bring out the camera then. But now I gotta go get some toothpaste and stuff. And I need to pack a bag and I need to go home and finish some flyers, some pictures, and then I need to iron my suit. And then I need to go take all of that stuff, put it in my car, and then go to the rehearsal dinner. No, I think I gotta go to the hotel and check in with DJ. After that, go to the hotel. Go to the rehearsal dinner, and then go to the dinner. It's the rehearsal, then it's dinner. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, go to the hotel, and then, you know, there's tomorrow. We'll have to go with him, and you gotta get his haircut and all of that stuff. So, yeah. So I'll see y'all, I guess. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all, but I'm gonna pick up the camera sometime. Alright, so boom. I didn't know I was gonna go here, but I'm at the car wash. I gotta get my car clean because it's filthy. And then my brother, like, he got a mess back there. It's nasty, bro. And I've been prolonging it, like, I'm finna do. I get some money out of the machine thing. You know, this better work. Got 4. All right, let's go. All right, I see that mess. I just clean all of it. Y'all, I would show y'all my brother's side, but That joint is nasty. I was trying to show y'all my really side look, but that joint look atrocious. I heard it work. After that, I usually go ahead and like wipe my car down, but I don't have my wipes on me, so I don't have to wait till I get home to wipe it down. But what I do is, I take this spray, right here, and I like spray it everywhere. Y'all need to come up here and get y'all one of these. It's some antibacterial fabric spray from, I don't know. Alright y'all, my camera finna die, but my car is clean. I feel way better. Everything around me is clean, organized. My life is better. Alright y'all, I'm back home. I got all of those errands and stuff done. Now I need to get to work. I need to post on all of my pages today. Well, not all of them. I posted yesterday on my main page. Today I need to post on my media business page. I might post some flyers that I've done because I haven't posted flyers in a minute. Most people just think I do pictures now and videos now, but I still do flyers and graphics. So I got to post those graphics, and then I need to finish this flyer that I have to do, and finish these flyers and these pictures and send them off. That'll be it until I get up from here and iron my stuff and pack my bag. So I think that's about it. So I'm gonna get to work. I might do a time lapse, might not. I don't know. Y'all, I don't know. Like, y'all want to see me work?
I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that. I turn around and go get back, get back, get back. No, 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 no. Rippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Just no shake like the
Okay, that's it for the most part. Let's just save the date. That is the main photo. I need to move on to her pictures. Alright, y'all, this is the fit for the dinner. So it's simple. Just a regular sweater with, you know, black slacks, and then I got on black shoes. I might keep these glasses on, I might not, I don't know. We gonna see. I need to hurry up. This is the look for this is what I have on for the dinner. It's 5:25 and I have to be there at 5:45, but it's right up the street, but I need to go like right now. So we finna go. Alright. I told this like, I guess. I really was just basically, alright, so fun, I ain't using a fun fact, but crazy part about like this video, all of this was recorded like last month, and I had the mindset that I was gonna get it and post it like right after, but like it never happened. And I guess this is me closing out the video from a month later, because I really do wanna get back on YouTube like heavily, and I'm trying to start back posting. I'm basically just coming to close out the video because I didn't get any footage of like at the wedding. Yeah. I've been watching you.